Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I've had the newest Blythe doll delivered. As soon as I saw the concept art for this girl, I knew I had to have her. She's so autumnal and versatile, I think. She's made by the Good Smile Company, pre-ordered from Junie Moon. And her name is Dear Forest Dear. As a reward for ordering directly from Junie Moon, we get this lovely paper craft box version of her to put together. Oh, her box has mushroom spots on top. This is going to be so cute. Here she is. Oh, and isn't the whole box lovely? On the back, it shows the positioning for the stand. They're not all the same. Some are sized to sit higher, some lower. Here's the clover-shaped cutout that you can lay on top of her stand. And here she is, ready to be removed. Let's skip that, shall we? All done, box emptied. Her skin is fair, her head type, Radiance Evolution. Her hair is greyish beige, long and permed. It doesn't feel too bad, we'll see how it brushes out. She has yellow-green eyeshadow, salmon pink cheeks and pink lips. Her pull cord charm is a standard shaped one. Those eyes are a special blue colour, then side green, front orange, side pink, plain looking eyelids, and back to the blue. She has protective plastic on her arms and legs too, to avoid staining. She has the basic underpants on, no manicure, and the bend and click legs. Now for her stock. I love these mustard coloured tights, very versatile. These cool black 4-strap shoes are handy too. They make me think of Vivienne Westwood shoes. Her deer spotted fur earmuffs, so adorable. The velvet bow is a nice touch. They feel like a headband on the inside. I adore this. Her mushroom pochette. It has a gold chain handle and opens up too. So cute. It feels like a soft suede fabric. In matching spotted fur, her scarf. I love this too. The acorn and leaf charms look like they're enamel coloured and are very dainty and pretty. The scarf closes with a snap and has a suede-like lining. Her cream underdress is also versatile, with lace-trimmed sleeves and skirt, high collar and green ribbons on the sleeves. It's velcroed in back and the skirt has a net layer over the top. Her overdress is beautiful. It also velcros in back, and the skirt features artwork of a bridge and deer in the forest with mushrooms and flowers. There's gold peacock trim, and the bodice is black velvet, with a narrow ruffled peplum and ruffled on the straps too. It's finished with 2 gold bows in front. Here she is getting her stock on. She has a very German fairy tale vibe to me. I really love her style. She looks ever so cozy in all these layers. I think she would make a nice companion to Blue Rabbit. I know one of my friends has her too, Claire, who makes things. And she's just as enamoured as I am. Do you have Dear Forest Dear? Or are you tempted now that you've seen more of her? I have an addition that I'd like to give her actually. When I saw her concept art, I commented that she should have horns. Let me say a quick thank you to all my patrons and to all of you for watching. And now let's give her a little pair of horns. Don't worry, I'm not going to drill into her head. These will be a non-destructive addition. I grab some polymer clay, the kind that hardens in the oven, and some blank hair clips. I'll use the clay to shape and form some little pointed horns, something like a roe deer. I don't want them too big, and I form them onto and around the edges of the hair clip. I curve the back of the horns upward, so the end of the clip is accessible to my fingers. I'll make a pair and bake them. Here they are, somewhat matching horns, and you might see I scraped a little texture into them before baking too. And I can still get my fingers in to use them. I'll give them a base coat of white and yellow next. There. And you'll see my pan pastels are out. I'll use a soft rounded brush to add some more colour to them. You could of course use paints or paint pens, anything you like. Here they are with some nice colour variation, and I think they match her colouring really well. Oh my goodness, yes! Doesn't she look adorable? I think I'll borrow these clips myself sometimes. I just love how these look. I'm going to make a headband version too. I'll share that over on Patreon. Oh, I think she suits them so well. Do you think you would try this? They could have faux fur and little bells added on for Christmas, or be more wicked looking for Halloween. Thank you so much for sticking around. I really hope you enjoyed meeting my dear forest deer. I've decided I'll be doing some gentle customizing of her. I'll be swapping out the orange and pink eyes for something more natural, and I might paint her eyelids. We've been working on creating Obitsu body neck joints, so I'll be giving her a new body too. Watch out for those very soon, and take care. See you next time. Bye!